How to change your TikTok region is today's video. So I see a lot of people use VPN for this, and a lot of people got banned because of using VPN on TikTok because it's not allowed to use VPN on TikTok. So a lot of people TikTok shows them some videos that they are not interested in. For example, videos that has nothing to do with them, like they are not interested in these videos, and TikTok keeps showing these videos to these people in another language, not even in their language or in the language that they want to watch on TikTok. So that's exactly why I made this video. I want to help you guys change the language so that TikTok will show you the videos that you want. You can change the language so that TikTok will show you the videos that you are interested in that specific language that you want to select. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your TikTok account. As you can see here, guys, at the very bottom right, guys, you want to click your profile at the very bottom. Now you are on your profile. Now in the top right corner, you will see there 3 lines. You want to click it, and after that, at the very bottom, it says here settings and privacy. You want to click on settings and privacy, and after that, guys, you want to search for clear cache. Okay, it's not, it doesn't say clear cache, it says here free up space. They changed it, so you want to click on free up space. Now in the top, you want to click clear, and then click clear, and at the very bottom it says there clear, click again clear. Now you want to go back, guys, as you want to go to language. As you can see here, guys, language, you want to change the app language to any language you want. It doesn't matter, because the app language has nothing to do with TikTok showing you the videos that are not in the language that you want. What you want to do, guys, change is preferred languages. As you can see here, you want to click on preferred languages, and now you can select any language you want. You can select English. So if you already have English selected on your TikTok, now close the app and open it again. And now after you clear cache, then TikTok is going to say, okay, this guy is probably interested in the language. The reason why TikTok keeps showing you the videos that are in another language, not the language that you want, is because you keep watching these videos, you keep watching them till the end, and TikTok keeps showing these videos to you. So you want to just select here English, like I said. After you select English, guys, you want to just close the app. Okay, you want to close the app like this, and then see now if the problem is resolved or not. Hopefully, guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.